Welcome, fellow drivers and gizmo geeks. Today, we're diving into the world of car gadgets, exploring the top 5 best options that will turn your ordinary car into an extraordinary machine. These gadgets are not just about bells and whistles. They're about practicality, innovation, and the ability to make your driving experience a breeze. Before we delve into our gadget showcase, don't forget to check out the description below the video for links to all the products we'll be discussing. So, grab your keys, buckle up, and prepare to be amazed by the power of car gadgets. Number 5. Anker PowerDrive 236W Car Charger. The Anker PowerDrive 236W car charger is a must-have for any driver who relies on their smartphone for navigation, music, and hands-free calling. Its Power IQ technology ensures fast and safe charging for all your devices, while its compact design fits seamlessly into any car's cigarette lighter socket. Price: $19.99. Number 4. RAV Dasham S1. The RAV Dasham S1 is a lifesaver for any driver, providing peace of mind and protection in case of accidents. Its 1080p resolution captures clear and detailed footage, while its night vision technology ensures clear recording even in low light conditions. Price: $59.99. Number 3. Anker Soundcore Flare 2 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The Anker Soundcore Flare 2 portable Bluetooth speaker is the perfect companion for road trips and long drives. Its powerful sound and vibrant LED lights create an immersive atmosphere, while its waterproof design makes it ideal for outdoor adventures. Price: $49.99. Number 2. Astro AI Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Astro AI Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner is a must-have for any car owner who values cleanliness. Its powerful suction and lightweight design make it easy to clean up crumbs, dust, and pet hair, while its various attachments allow you to reach every nook and cranny of your car's interior. Price: $19.99. Number 1. JSAUX Car Phone Mount. The JSAUX Car Phone Mount is a game-changer for hands-free driving. Its secure grip and adjustable viewing angle ensure your phone stays in place, while its one-touch release button makes it easy to access your phone when you need it. Price: $29.99. The world of car gadgets has evolved into a realm of innovation and convenience. With so many incredible options available, there's a gadget perfectly suited to enhance your driving experience and transform your car into a hub of technology, comfort, and style. We hope this comprehensive review has helped you navigate the world of car gadgets and find the perfect match for your driving needs and preferences. Remember, the right car gadget should not only be practical and useful but also reflect your personality and style.